Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall BlueStacks completely from your PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to installed apps and find BlueStacks. On BlueStacks, you're going to click uninstall button and uninstall it just like so. Click yes. Now you're going to enter why you want to uninstall it. So for example, something like so, and uninstall. Now you can uninstall BlueStacks services too. Now you will need to go ahead on search and write down run. Open it up. Now on run, you want to write down %program data. %, just like so, and click enter. Now you want to find any folder related to BlueStacks. If you cannot find it, then it was already deleted. If you will find folder, just delete that folder of BlueStacks. Again, now you need to go ahead and enter run again. And now you want to write down %temp%. Here you want to delete all of the folders. So click Ctrl A and then just delete all of the folders. After that, you want to open up registry editor, and this is our last step, which we will do. And you want to choose HK local machine and then go to software. And on software, you want to find BlueStack folders again. So you want to delete any folders related to BlueStack. So I found only one. If you will find more, make sure to delete it. And that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.